What weather event sticks out the most from 2022? Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens recaps our past year of weather.
Although a new year has begun, we're taking a look back at the weather events that made 2022 memorable. For the third year in a row, we're happy to report that no major tornadoes touched down, but we still have a lengthy list of impactful storm systems that swept through. Moving in chronological order, our first major weather event was a winter storm on February 2nd and 3rd that brought anywhere from 6 to 10 inches of snow, following a period of rain that caused an icy layer on area roadways. The spring storm season was relatively tame, but the most significant severe weather would move through on June 13th and 14th. While Lima was largely spared, severe weather tore south and north, where wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour downed several trees and power lines. What followed that severe weather was a period of brutal heat. Heat indices reached up to 110. Many without power from the storms were forced to visit local cooling centers. The intense heat broke away briefly, then returned off and on into early July. The area would go the second half of June with no rain, allowing dry conditions to rapidly set in. A welcome pattern change in July would douse drought concerns for area farmers. The rains fell during a critical stage for the corn crop and even became too much of a good thing at times. Up to 4 inches fell on July 17th and caused localized high water problems throughout the area. Dry weather would once again become a big headline in the fall. The area went from late September to late November without a single rain event producing more than 2/10. Thankfully, the drought came too late to have a major crop impact and allowed Ohio farmers to enjoy an extra favorable harvest season. Arguably, the most interesting weather event was a significant Arctic blast that slammed the country right before Christmas. Temperatures dropped 50 degrees in the span of just 10 hours, brought us the coldest Christmas Day high temperature since 1985. While snowfall only reached a couple of inches, a flash freeze and high winds made travel very dangerous across the area. The event was a major inconvenience for travels right during the Christmas holiday. As we kick off 2023 with a chance of thunderstorms and record highs, we know Mother Nature has plenty of surprises up her sleeve this year. In Lima, Nathan Kitchens with your News Now.
Thanks, Nathan.